Hey there, budget buddies. If you're using Goodbudget to keep your finances in check, you might have wondered how to tidy up your envelopes without losing important data. Today, we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to archive an envelope in Goodbudget. Archiving is a smart way to hide envelopes you no longer need actively, like that holiday fund after the trip is over, keeping your dashboard clutter-free while preserving your history. Let's get started. It's super straightforward and will only take a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you have the Goodbudget app open on your phone or computer. Log in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to the Envelopes section. This is usually found on the main dashboard or in the menu. Look for an icon that looks like a folder or list. Now, find the specific envelope you want to archive. Tap or click on it to open its details. Here, you'll see options like viewing transactions or editing the envelope. Look for a three-dot menu icon or something labeled More Actions. When you click that, you should see an Archive option. Go ahead and select it. A confirmation pop-up might appear, asking if you're sure you want to archive. Just hit Yes or Confirm to proceed. Boom! Your envelope is now archived and moved out of your active view. To double-check, head back to the Envelopes list. You might find an Archived tab or filter to see it again if needed. Why archive instead of deleting? It's a safer choice because you can unarchive later if things change, and your past transactions stay intact. This keeps your financial records accurate and easy to access. There you have it. That's how to archive an envelope in Goodbudget. Give it a try next time you want to streamline your budgeting setup. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy budgeting.